Hello English learners, hello everybody who is eager to speak English fast and thoroughly. Do you think it's hard enough to speak English as fast as you imagine? Or do you consider it's not accessible to speak English as confidently as you wish? In this video, I will speak to you about some ways which will help you with speaking English with ease. I'm Jala from SpeakPoorEnglish.com. I've been teaching English for 12 years. Within these years, I've noticed numerous mistakes that students usually make while speaking. How to avoid them? Two questions can appear. 1. What should we do while speaking English? 2. What should we ignore? I'll try to reply to these questions. It's obvious that speaking or learning English takes time. But how much time? It depends on you. Unless you are willing or you make attempts, you can't dare to speak English. My first recommendation: pay attention to some certain sentence structures, rules, while speaking. It will give you confidence and you'll try to speak correctly and you'll be sure that you are speaking correctly. For example, I have something done. We use this structure when we speak about those things that we don't do ourselves. For example, I have my house cleaned. It means I don't clean my house myself. I ask or tell somebody to do it for me. I had my homework done. It means I didn't write my homework. Somebody else did it for me. I asked or told somebody to do it for me. As you see, sentence structures can help us to speak English or express our opinions correctly. My second recommendation: don't think about the rules too much. Don't obsess the rules too much. It can prevent you from speaking English fearlessly. Students often concentrate on rules. Thirdly, try to make your long sentences short. Shorten your sentences. In other words, change your complex sentences into simple ones. There are some ways for doing this. You might replace some conjunctions with the appropriate prepositions. For example, instead of saying, "Though it was raining heavily, we didn't stop our game," you can say, "In spite of the heavy rain, we didn't stop our game." Here, we replace "though" with "in spite of." Or, "As he explained to me everything perfectly, I could understand." You can say, "Due to his perfect explanation, I could understand." Here, we replaced "as" with "due to." My fourth recommendation: learn those words. Acquire those phrases which are favorable to you. Use them in various situations over and over again in order to keep them in your mind consciously. Practice the words until you master them. Remember, lack of words also delays the progress of speaking English. Be enthusiastic to keep learning words. What weak points do you have in speaking English? How do you overcome them? Write your answers in the comments and let me know. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care!